Fortunata House. Located in the heart of the Brazilian jungle, this home offers inspiration on how architecture can dialogue with nature, creating a balance between modern comfort and the serenity of its surroundings. The main structure of the house extends horizontally, forming a volume that gently leans over the landscape. From a distance, the house does not attract attention. Instead, it disguises itself, hiding behind the lush foliage, like a quiet refuge from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. The same atmosphere is maintained as you step inside. The interior of the house is dominated by natural materials, exposed concrete walls, and large windows that frame views of the jungle. There is no clear boundary between inside and out. Fresh air and sunlight flow freely through the open spaces, creating a lively and ever-changing environment that follows the rhythm of nature. One of the key features of Fortunata House is its passive approach to design. With strategic openings, the house takes advantage of natural cross-ventilation. The roof overhangs the front to protect against the heat of the tropical sun, while the selection of local materials helps to increase thermal efficiency. Every element is designed not only for the comfort of its inhabitants, but also to respect the surrounding environment. Situated on the side of the house that directly faces the expanse of forest, this balcony is the perfect place to relax, either alone or with family and friends. Without any obstructions, fresh air flows freely, while the sounds of nature provide a calming natural backdrop. Here, time seems to pass more slowly. Mornings on the balcony can be spent with a cup of warm coffee, accompanied by a thin mist that still hangs between the trees. Towards the afternoon, this space transforms into a gathering place, where light conversations take place under the slowly fading sunlight. And when night falls, the sky opens up with a sprinkling of stars, creating an atmosphere that is rarely found amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. The bedroom is designed as an intimate sanctuary, yet open to nature. Large windows stretch from floor to ceiling, framing the changing views of the forest at every moment. There are no heavy curtains to block it, only clear glass allows the morning light to slowly penetrate, waking its occupants with natural softness. Roma Fortunata is not just a place to live, but also an experience. Walking through it feels like walking along a path floating above the landscape, where every corner invites us to stop, look, and feel the tranquility of the forest. This house teaches that the best architecture is not the most striking, but the one that is able to become part of nature without disturbing it.